Students, next phylum is Mollusca. Mollusca here means soft-bodied animals. Soft body animals. So molluscus means soft. Okay. So it is the second largest phylum. अच्छा first okay. So what does mollusca include? Snail. A very common example is snail, octopus, mussel, oyster, squid. Have a look. So these all are mollusca. Octopus you are aware, snail you are aware, oyster you are aware. Okay, mussel, squid, cuttlefish. So let's start. Features. So general features, their habitat, they are triploblastic organ system. Now it is going and no need to discuss all these things. Mainly, mostly marine. Okay, mostly marine. It's their habitat. Yeah, what habitat? Some also occur in fresh water and some even in damp soil. Okay, but they are mostly marine. Body form is come to body form. It is unsegmented and is divided into head, muscular feet and visceral hump. Head, muscular foot and what else? Visceral hump. Now we will see with the help of diagram. Head contains eyes, okay, muscular foot for locomotion and visceral hump, it contains visceral organs, okay. Visceral organs like here digestive system. Student, this is a digestive system. Afterwards you will say I will not able to understand. Okay, and let's see the diagram. स्लेट कम क्लियर नहीं आ रहा अभी तो see foot, you are able to see foot, it is digestive system, okay. Here it is mouth, that part is head, okay. This is head part, ये जो है this is head, this part is head. And visceral hump, it secretes visceral hump का और क्या है? visceral hump का function, it secretes mantle, okay, and mantle secretes shell. Okay, pay attention student. बॉडी इज डिवाइडेड टू हेड, मस्कुलर फूड एंड विस्करल हम. विस्करल हम में क्या क्या पाया जाता है? डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. एंड विस्करल हम इट सिक्रीट्स मेंटल एंड मेंटल सिक्रीट्स शेल. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज यू मीन बाय मेंटल? लुक here it is, this is mental. ओके, और ये जो है मेंटल कैविटी है. And I have told you digestive system, visceral humps cover digestive system. See, this is visceral hump and it is covering digestive systems. See here, stomach and reproductive. It is gonads. Okay, and this is mental, and this is visceral hump, foot, mouth. This is head part. Okay, and this is mental cavity. What about symmetry? Bilateral symmetry. Okay, okay, in pila, due to torsion, twisting during growth, the adults become asymmetry. In pila, what happened? Important. Due to torsion, it means twisting. Okay, during growth, adults become asymmetrical. शेल, अभी शेल हम लोग ने पढ़ा, इधर ही लिख लेते हैं. इट इज सिक्रेटेड बाय मेंटल, ये तो कर लिए. मेड अप ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. ओके, मेड अप ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. और ये एक्सटर्नल भी होते हैं, इंटरनल भी हो सकते हैं, और एब्सेंट भी हो सकते हैं. तो शेल जो रहते हैं वो, लेट मी राइट, एक्सटर्नल, internal, and also absent. Absent in which case? Octopus. External किसमें होता है? Can anybody tell? Shell may be external, most of molluscus. Okay. Internal किसमें होता है? Cuttlefish. और you can say squid. And it is common. External one is most common. Shell is made of CaCO3. Now come to mantle. It क्या होते हैं mantle? Mantle is dorsal body wall. It is dorsal body wall, and it covers organs which covers organs such as digestive system, respiratory system. Okay, organs of DIGS, which means digestive system or reproduction and movement. So where is mantle? I have shown mantle. It is here. See, this is mantle. Okay, it is. See, ये mantle है. किसको कवर करा? डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, गोनाड्स. It is also known as pallium. Next we can say body wall, single epidermis layer which is ciliated. Body cavity. Coelom is greatly reduced and it forms hemocoel. Just simply write down hemocoels. Okay. Next is digestive tract. So it is complete and consists of hepatopancreas, that is contains glands. Okay, glands which secretes digestive juice. It is gland secrete digestive juice. And else rasping organ. What do you mean by rasping organ? That is radula. Okay, it consists of rows of transverse teeth. Let me write in detail about rasping organs. The buccal, actually see students, radula, rasping organ क्या होता है? रेड्यूला, ये रेड्यूला, रेस्पिंग ऑर्गन्स क्या होता है? रेड्यूला. और ये कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? बक्कल कैविटी ऑफ पाइला. ओके, रेस्पिंग ऑर्गन्स किसे कहा जाता है? रेड्यूला के. एंड वेयर इट इज फॉर्म? बक्कल कैविटी ऑफ पाइला. और ये एक्चुअल में होते क्या? दे आर ट्रांसवर्स रोज ऑफ टीथ. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ दिस rasping organ? That is radula, cutting the grasses. The buccal cavity of pila, it should be in capital pila, contains rasping organ. The radula with transverse rows of teeth for cutting grasses. Okay, next we will discuss blood, vascular, respiratory organ, excretory organs.